Working of heart or cardiac cycle. When we study about the working of heart means the event associated with the one heartbeat. Event associated with the one heartbeat is called as cardiac cycle. And this cardiac working of heart, or it is also called as cardiac cycle. Event associated with the completion of one heartbeat is called as cardiac cycle. One heartbeat. Event associated with the completion of one heartbeat is called as cardiac cycle. In the cardiac cycle, there are different type of. In cardiac cycle get completed in the how many time? 0.8 second. Time required for completion of one heartbeat or one cardiac cycle requires 0.8 second time. Now there are different type of heartbeat include, there are different type of events are there. Number one is atrial systole. Atrial systole, or that is also called as auricular systole. What happens during the atrial systole? This one is the atreus. Atreus are the receiving chambers. They can receive the blood from different parts of the body. Right auricle receives the deoxygenated blood from all parts of the body. Left auricle receives the oxygenated blood from lung. Right auricle receives deoxygenated blood from superior vena cava, inferior vena cava and coronary sinus. Then what happens whenever both the auricles get fulfilled with blood? Then SA node initiate the way of contraction, then atrial systole or atrial contraction takes place. Atrial systole or atrial contraction takes place. For this atrial systole, how many time is required? 0.1 second. Time is required for atrial systole. Whenever the auricular contraction or atrial systole takes place, blood from auricles get pumped into ventricles. Right auricle opens into right ventricle. Left auricle opens into left ventricle. Here deoxygenated blood, here oxygenated blood. Okay. Now there is a second event is there, that is the ventricular systole. What happens in second event? Ventricular systole. Ventricular systole. Whenever what happens during the ventricular systole, the deoxygenated blood from right auricle enters into right ventricle. Oxygenated blood from left auricle enters into left ventricle during auricular contraction. Then what happens? Whenever both the ventricles get fulfilled with the blood, then what happens? Ventricles get contracted. Ventricles get contracted. Whenever the ventricles get contracted, then here tricuspid valves are there, here bicuspid valves are there. These valves get closed and the blood from right ventricle pumped into pulmonary artery and the blood from left ventricle pumped into aorta. For the completion of ventricular contraction or ventricular systole, there is how many time is required? For the completion of ventricular requires 0.3 second. Means for the ventricular or auricular systole or contraction get completed within how many? 0.4 second. Total time required for completion of one heartbeat requires 0.8 second. And the time required for ventricular or auricular contractions means when both the auricles and ventricles get contracted within how many time? 0.8 second. Now there is a joint dystole, or that is also called as complete cardiac diastole. Joint. Third one is joint diastole or complete cardiac diastole. During the joint diastole or complete cardiac diastole, what happens? During the joint diastole, both the auricles and ventricles becomes in relaxed conditions. Auricles also in relaxed condition and ventricles also in relaxed conditions. What happens? At that time, this right auricle receives deoxygenated blood from all parts of the bodies, and the left auricle receives oxygenated blood from lung. Then what happens? Then this right auricle receives the deoxygenated blood from all parts of the body via superior vena cava, inferior vena cava. Left auricle receives the oxygenated blood from lung by pulmonary veins. There are two pairs, means four pulmonary veins. It opens into left auricle and collect the blood from lungs to heart, that is oxygenated blood. Then what happens? During the ventricular relaxation or during the joint diastole, what happens? Ventricles and auricles get relaxed in condition. For the ventricular systole requires how many? For the joint diastole requires how many time? It is about 0.4 second. Means total time required for completion of one heartbeat requires how many? 0.8 seconds. During the per minute how many beats takes place? Average heartbeats from adult human beings, that is about 72 beats per minute. These are the heartbeat that takes place from normal human beings. In this way, the design, during the working of heart or cardiac cycle, there are three events that takes place. One is atrial systole, requires 0.1 second. Ventricular systole requires 0.3 second. Third one is joint diastole or complete cardiac diastole, requires 0.4